Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where today our European road trip continues with our final vlog from Germany. How picturesque was the drive to get here, Charlotte?
Oh, it was crazy. It was so beautiful coming down.
All the roads and turning around the hills, it was spectacular. We even saw mountain goats, didn't we?
We did!
Oh, we're about an hour away then from Europa Park. We've come to ride a bucket list alpine coaster. I've wanted to do this for many years, and honestly, we're finally here on the car park at the Hasenhorn Rodelbahn. I'm really looking forward to this. This alpine coaster is ridiculous, Charlotte.
I'm really scared.
The good thing is we'll be able to take you on with the GoPro. To get on this, basically we're going to go up on a ski lift, like a chair lift, and then we come back down the mountainside on this alpine coaster. It's world famous, this one. People come from all around the world to ride it. You can see all the flags just there behind us, and honestly I'm really excited to experience this. So we're going to make our way over there and we'll take you along for the full experience on the Hasenhorn Rodelbahn. Here we go, this is going to be awesome. So we just parked up on the car park here. And yeah, loads of nice, cute German buildings, loads of houses, and yeah, there we go. There's a look at where we're going to be heading, just around this corner here. So you've got the ski lift there that takes you up, and you can just see the coaster on the left-hand side there. Oh, bit of a gardening going on or something there. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is. Can you imagine just having that in your back garden? There we go. There's the coaster. So yeah, we're just going to walk down this random street here. How cute is this though? Oh, so nice. Shame about all the noise now at the back just there. But yeah, we're literally just walking down the street, other cars rocking up. It's opened at 10 o'clock only a few minutes ago, hence why there's probably nobody coming down yet. Everyone's still heading up. But yeah, there's free parking located just a few minutes walk around the corner. But honestly, it's a big bucket list to me. The actual coaster itself is over 8,000 feet. It's going to take about nearly 5 minutes to come down. Honestly, it's going to be good, this. Oh, do you want an iron? Anybody want to buy an iron? There you go. 15 euros for that little wooden man. 10 euros for an iron. What is happening? Crazy. But yeah, oh, look at this. But yeah, the scenery was absolutely spectacular coming down here. Honestly, some of the most gorgeous scenery we've ever driven through. And it might look really warm, but it's actually really cold this morning. It is so chilly. Yeah, and this cute little, oh, there we go. What got me was the iron just out of the side. Anybody want an iron? Cute little buildings around here. Worth pointing out though, there is still a supermarket around there and a petrol station as well. But yeah, here we go. Toilets around this way as well, the Hasenhorn Coaster. Oh, I just heard some screams. Here we go, here's the kiosk for it. So yeah, we're only just come around the corner. That's where we was just. A lovely day for it as well. The sun is shining. Here in Germany, there we go. Toilets around the corner, Charlotte. Lovely, here it is. So yeah, the same family that owned this also own another little park nearby, Steinwagen Park. I don't think it's open today, else we would have gone there. But we'll definitely check. Here we go. Right, let's make our way around. Toilet round to the left, I think, Charlotte. Oh, look at this. So much character and charm. Oh, look at this absolutely spectacular view from here. We've not even got onto the ski lift yet. So yeah, we've just come up the steps here. Oh, look at the church over there. Honestly, here we go. So here's a bit of information about the installation of the Wiegand Alpine Coaster. Oh, here we go. Wiegand down the bottom. And here we go, onto the prices for you now, just up there. So yeah, there's all the prices. We've paid 10 euros to go up on the ski lift and come down the coaster. You can just pay for the lift, or you can just pay for the coaster if you want to. But yeah, there's a little look at all the pricing. I don't know how you get to the top though if you don't pay for the ski lift. Can you walk up there? I'm not too sure. Have you got the tickets there, Charlotte? Let's have a look at them. Here we go. Oh, so on the back there it shows the Steinwagen Park. Like I said, I don't think that's open today, but we'll definitely check it out whilst we're in the area if it was. And then also you can see the Hasenhorn coaster on the front. Right, here we go then. We also had to fill out the little form just here as well. Honestly, I am so excited for this. It's been a bucket list of mine since it opened this. So we're going to be heading up just here on the ski lift. Here we go, we've got our masks on and we're ready to ride. Oh, I'm so excited, Charlotte. Oh, I love it. Oh, we've got a little turnstile here as well. Little ski data turnstile. Oh, it gives you a wink as well. But yeah, about an hour away from Europa Park, like I say. There we go, scanned our tickets. And we're loaded on. I've not seen anybody coming down yet, have you, Charlotte?
No.
Oh, look at this. But yeah, this is what you want to see, authentic Germany, folks. We have the drive coming up here, not for the faint-hearted. Luckily, I've done a lot of abroad driving, so I was fine with it. But yeah, literally, you get, not yet. You're going around some of the corners at about 10 miles an hour, if that, when you're, when you're doing this drive to get here. Oh, look at this little cafe at the bottom there as well. Welcome to Germany, folks. This is the real deal now, honestly, just to come and see something like this. And this coaster looks absolutely insane, but I just want to say how cheap it is. Bear in mind, we've done quite a lot of coverage from Zip World back in the UK. Zip World costs an absolute fortune.
It's so expensive.
Whereas this was €10 to go up on the cable car and of course come down. There's no lift on the coaster, we're just coming down only, and hopefully with no brakes. That's the plan. Oh, look at the size of it. It's absolutely massive. But yeah, these views, guys, honestly, I don't know why I've not been here before, to be honest. Well, I know why, because Europa Park's such an epic park. You know, it's hard to draw yourself away. But yeah, this is huge. Like, we're going all the way up to the top. Here you go. So like I said, there's actually no lift hill for the coaster. But what they do, they put them on the chairlift just here and hang them down and take them to the top. We've been on here for a few minutes so far. See my car down there on the car park? Oh, wow. This is going to be good. It's just so peaceful here, very nice and relaxing. Worth pointing out, you can pay card. I wasn't too sure if it was going to be a cash only place, because you never know when you're out in the middle of the sticks like this. However, they do accept card payments, and it's €8.50 for a child to come up and also go on the coaster. Like I say, we paid €10 as an adult. We've seen nobody come down yet, which means that we just keep going up and up. Like, it's honestly, it's massive, this thing. 8,000 feet, like, it's crazy. Here we go, we've got some people coming down now. Hey, oh, they got some good speed as well. Hey, oh, that's going to be us in just a few minutes time, folks. Woo! Brilliant. Look at this. I don't think I'll ever see Zip World the same again. My bank statement will be happy as well, I think. There we go, oh, blimey. Well, we've been climbing up now for over 10 minutes and the view is even more spectacular. That little town down there seems so far away now. Lots of people coming down now as well. We've got a bit of braking going on from some people, so hopefully we won't get any harsh braking in front. How are you feeling, Charlotte?
A bit nervous, to be honest.
It's massive, isn't it?
It is.
This is absolutely humongous, it really is. One of the world's longest alpine coasters right here. A big bucket list of mine for many years, and finally here to ride it. Oh, wow. Here we are then, we've made it to the top. That was quite a ride, that was. The view was absolutely incredible. Into the top station now of the ski lift just here. Oh, look at this view. Oh, wow. Absolutely spectacular. Here's a little zoom in at the ski lift that we just come up on. All the way down the bottom there. Absolutely huge. Seen a lot of photos and videos from over the years from this place, but they really don't do it justice. And that's the same with this video. It's one of them that you just need to get here and come and see it, to be honest. And I was saying, what do you do if you don't want to pay for the ski lift? Well, there is actually a pathway that you can come up. She's just gone for the walk. There we go. There's a little cafe up here as well. I think it's closed this morning though. We've got down here quite early because this ride does get absolutely massive queues. It's very popular. Look at the view though, Charlotte.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is beautiful, and there's a nice bench just here. You can sit down, relax and take it all in. But yeah, we're going to go and get over in the queue shortly, ready to take you down for the ride. Well, I've been waiting about 20 minutes so far, I'd say, for this wonderful Wiegand attraction. Honestly, cannot wait for this. But I don't mind waiting when you've got the absolutely awesome views. And also, as I mentioned earlier when we was coming up, I'd rather wait a little bit longer to space people out, because obviously we don't really want to be braking too much when we're heading down here, because that will ruin the experience. So yeah, I'd rather be waiting a little bit longer to have all the cars nicely spread out on this attraction. But here we go, here's a closer look at them. Okay, just a seat belt, and then of course you've got the levers on the side there for the brakes. But let's face it, we don't want the brakes, do we? I reckon another maybe 10 minutes or so, and we're making our way down. You ready, Charlotte?
Yes.
Looking forward to this? Oh yes, can't wait. Here we go, it's time to ride. Look at the drop, look at the view. Here we go, it's the Hasenhorn Coaster.
Bye bye.
Here we go, this is it. Opened in 2004 and I've wanted to ride it since, and I've got a massive gap in front. We've been in the station like 2 minutes. Here we go. Basically he asks you and he says, are you going to brake or not? If you say no, you get a massive gap. Here we go. Oh, oh wow. Look at the view. Airtime, here we go. Way! Oh! I don't know how much you're going to hear from the wind, but here we go. Way! Woo! Oh. It's got a little bit of auto braking on it, but not much at all. Way! Oh! You just feel it scrape on the sides. Way! Woo! Oh, this is brilliant! Woo! There we go, drop! Way! Oh, honestly, I've wanted to do this for so long. Just the views, the length of it, it just keeps on going. Woo! Way! Oh! Feel them lateral forces. Woo! We waited about 40 minutes in total, but you know what? It's worth it for this ride. Nobody in front. Absolutely fantastic. I love how they ask you as well. I hope Charlotte's getting on all right. Woo! Oh, that air time was crazy. Well, it's bags on as well. I've just wrapped them around my leg. Oh, brilliant. Woo! Hey! Big drop, here we go. Woo! Oh, this is spectacular. The best Alpine coaster I've ever been on. Right here in Germany. Woo! No braking. Just, oh, one of the highlights of the trip. Here we go. Oh my God! Woo! Germany, oh, I love you. Woo! Wiegand! I'll never see another Alpine coaster again the same. Ah, it just keeps going. Woo! All the €10 as well, including the ski lift. Woo! Absolutely world class. Woo! Woo! Oh, look at the view. The wheels are just scraping along the track. Woo! Bit of helix, helix, helix. At least Charlotte's not got to worry about somebody braking if you're behind me. Woo! Downward helix to the left. Woo! Oh, wow. Oh, it's steep now. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh. Oh, yes, you get some lateral G's coming around here. Woo! See it. Way! Woo! Oh, I took a photo. Here we go, into the brakes. Oh, you get proper whacked. Oh, wow. That was absolutely phenomenal. Amazing. Absolutely amazing that was. Here we go, bring it in slow. Oh, wow, viewers. That was phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. I can see Charlotte coming down. Wow. Oh. And here comes Charlotte. Oh, oh wow. How amazing was that? Oh, hey, I'll just leave them pushed down and then it'll bring you onto this conveyor. That is absolutely amazing.
It's going to come off the track.
Did you do much braking?
No.
Just a little bit of auto braking, wasn't there, in a couple of places, but that was absolutely, oh, that, honestly, that is one of the best coasters I've done, I think. Just for how unique it was.
Oh, that was brilliant.
Oh, loved it. You enjoyed that? He loved it. Oh, the Hasenhorn coaster. Oh, wow. Phenomenal. Well, after years of wanting to experience that coaster, it certainly didn't let me down. That was absolutely insane. I loved it.
That was incredible. That was. I really enjoyed it.
Oh, I'll tell you what, you just felt like the coaster was going to come flying off when you were coming down.
I know, like we was coming down and then it went whoop. Like
honestly, I absolutely loved it. Thought I was going to get reversed into then because we're on a car park, but I'm alright. Honestly, that was amazing. 2004 it opened. I'm pretty sure I actually watched a POV of that back when it first got built and thought one day I'm going to go to Germany and ride that. And today was that day, 2021, September, coming here to Germany and experiencing that. And it didn't let me down. I loved it
Absolutely
so much.
incredible that
By
was.
far the best alpine coaster I think we've both ever ridden.
Yeah, 100%.
You can't even compare the one in Wales to that. Like, that was absolutely insane. And for the cost of it as well, even if I paid 20 euros for that, I would have
You
felt
wouldn't
just
be
as happy.
disappointed.
Oh, not at all. Absolutely insane. What a brilliant ride. Really intense. Yes, you had some lateral G's as well going around on there. Like, did you feel the G-force?
I know, it was crazy.
And what made it as well was all like the little airtime hills. It was like 6 or 7 in a row where you just kept bopping down. Absolutely incredible. If you come into the area, come into Europa Park, come down here and experience that. I wish I'd done it years ago. I hadn't, but I'd saved it for today, and you know what? It was more than worth it. And you know, we had a great ride on there, so we're going to go and check out this other park because we've had a look, and according to Google, it is open. So
we're going to go and check it out.
Why not? Like, it's Steinwasen Park. All I know is there's 2 coasters there. There's another alpine coaster. This one's going to feel a bit basic compared to that one.
Will.
It's only 3,000 feet. This one was like nearly 9,000. But there's also a Mack Ride powered coaster there as well. And also goats, I believe.
Goats wearing coats.
Hey, goats wearing dresses. So we're going to make our way down there. We actually drove past it coming here.
Yeah, we did.
It's about 15 minutes down some very bendy roads. But let's go and check that out. And that'll be our final vlog from Germany before we head down into Paris. But yeah, there's a look at the logo. It's obviously the mascot just on there. And yeah, it looks like it's got quite a magical theme with the one. So we're going to get in the car and we will go and find out. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this view one more time here. Looking out at the church, all of the hills and scenery. Absolutely spectacular. Honestly, just blown away from that experience. Incredible, it really was. So are you ready to get on the move?
Yes.
Let's go for it. Let's get in the car and we'll see you down in the next vlog from Steinwasen Park. That leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. We'll see you in the next vlog.